This episode is titled 100 Reacts to Princess Rosario Snore Gets Replaced with Number Block 52 Snore. This video is a request by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 100. I'm new to it since I was first used. I'm going to react to Princess Rosario's snore gets replaced with Number Block 52 Snore. Haha. Get wrecked, you freaking snorlaxing slop. But anyways, let's get on with it. Ha. That was bussin' an elite for a weird snoring girl who was a bit weird in her sleep. Well, it ended. Stay tuned for episode 804.